I was thirsty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Good Skin channel. Welcome back to Good Cat. Well, today we're not talking about skin. Today I'm in the kitchen because, guys, why does this only happen when I'm filming? This plane must pass fast, please. So guys, you've noticed that I post a lot of cooking on my Instagram stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, you need to follow me on Instagram right now. The link is in the bio. Do the things, okay? So you follow me on Instagram, you say to me, hey Kay, please share your recipe with us. Please, I want to try this recipe. Please, I want to make this, please. So I decided, you know what? Because Sundays I have so much time for self-care. I cook for myself. I'm going to be sharing my recipes on Sundays. So I'm going to be calling these videos Sunday lunch, or make Sunday lunch with me. I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna call it, but it's gonna be Sunday lunch. So today I'm making Mafe, which is peanut butter stew, but I'm making it chicken, but you can make it with beef. I've seen some people do it with fish as well, so completely up to you what protein you want to use in there. So I'm having it with some white wine with a haute cabriere. This one is a Chardonnay Pinot Noir. I like it because it cuts through that sweetness of the peanut and the the dodo, which is plantain. It just cuts through nicely. So and it's Sunday and I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna have some wine. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, okay? Be serious with these things. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting these videos every Sunday. You guys let me know what time is best for me to post this. I could post this on Saturday so that you can make it on Sunday as well, but it's just that Sunday is the time that I have to cook. Sunday is the time that I have to post, so I'm posting on Sunday. Please be on the lookout for my giveaways. Yes, there'll be giveaways for people who show me love on YouTube. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below telling me if you make this version of this dish in your own way, or what you would have done differently, or what you like about it. If you have tried it, let me know. Hit your girl up and let me know how it goes. So guys, enjoy the video. I just wanted to do this intro looking fabulous. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kay. Kay with a K. I think the wine hit me. The secret to beginning my Sunday well is to have this zen moment when I pick tea, because I cannot do this during the week. And I'm gonna have peppermint tea because, well, it's peppermint tea. I need to wake up. So this kind of gave me the chance to think about what I'm gonna do today. What am I gonna get up to? Meditate, think about life, think about food, think about boys. Yeah, Hey guys, so today's Sunday lunch is gonna have some rice, some basmati rice. I love rice. I haven't been able to cut it out completely, and I just love it. I'm gonna have some plantain, which I'm gonna steam. Plantain is basically like an oversized banana, but you can't eat it raw. Well, I never have tried. Maybe you can. And I keep them for a while so that they can ripen like this and get a little sweet. So I'm just gonna steam them. We're gonna have that with that, and then have some chicken here. And then I've got some peanut butter. So what I'm making today is basically called Mafe, or chicken poulet à la moimbe, or chicken with peanut sauce. And it's a popular dish in West Africa, Central Africa, and where I'm from, which is Congo. And we eat this with rice. You can have it with pap, but I really just like it with some rice and some bananas, because I feel like it just gives that nice sweetness to it. So let's cook. So it's time to marinate my chicken, and for my chicken today, these are the spices that I'm gonna use. So I have in here some black pepper, some ginger spice that I got from Benin. I have some nutmeg, I have some salt, and this is like a special ginger garlic grind I make with some herbs. I'm gonna mix this all up, and then I'm gonna put this in my chicken. I make sure to make a nice paste and then marinate my chicken. I have this little trick where I use these freezer bags, and put my chicken in here. And once I've done that, I take my spice and put it there. I'll seal it. So I'm just gonna do that and make sure all the chicken gets some of the good spices. And then I'm gonna set this aside while I do the other ingredients. Now I'm gonna cut up half of this red pepper, the whole onion, and then I've got like a big tomato and like a smaller one, so I'm gonna wash this and cut them up, and I'm gonna be making the stew for the rice, for the chicken. This is what's gonna go into my stew. I'm gonna have some cloves, some white pepper. This is a Maggi bouillon or a stock. It's unhealthy, but it's delicious, so bay leaf, and then I have this chicken stock that I'm gonna add a little bit of just for some control. To brown my chicken, and in this pan I'm gonna use the same oil in the peanut butter because it gives it nice flavor. And I just want to say thank you to Denise for this peanut butter you brought for me all the way from Zim. Another tip is that please don't use Black Cat or all these commercial peanut butters because it won't work. It's too sweet, so you have to go maybe to Discam or Woolworth and buy an unsweetened peanut oil, peanut butter, because it won't taste the same. So I'm gonna brown the chicken first because I want to use all the flavors from the chicken for my stew. Leah arrived and I couldn't talk anymore during the video because, you know, it's time for gist. It's time to talk about all those things, those people. I was about to use the B word, but anyways. I'm browning the chicken, just trying to get some color because I don't like that whole boiled chicken vibe. You know, it doesn't sit right with me. So I like to brown my chicken and get the flavors going. You know, I'm going to use the same flavors for my stew. And, you know, these spices are going to stay in the oil. Guys, by the way, if you don't have the oil in the peanut butter, I was going to say just use peanut oil. You can get it in like Asian stores and stuff like that. So that will work as well. We turn around the chicken because we need the brown on both sides, guys. Leah is here. My nuts. Thank you so much. We're gonna continue with browning of the chicken, and I'm gonna set this aside. And I'm gonna add the tomato and onion to begin my stew. I'm gonna let this cook for a while and add my spices that I had mentioned before. I'm gonna let it stir. I'm gonna stir it, and I'm gonna add a tomato puree just to give it some color because I want it to still look a little bit red. And then I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna like kind of melt my peanut butter because it has to be like a liquid consistency because my mother said so. So just do it, okay? Do that. Must be liquid. I'm gonna like stir the tomato and onion, pour in my peanut butter, and I'm gonna stir this in properly so that it mixes well and becomes almost like a paste. This is why you have to melt the peanut butter so that it doesn't make lumps in it. When it becomes a paste, I'm gonna let it cook so that everything softens together, all the flavors gets together, you know, like sardines in a can. Everything just has to make sense in this pot. Oh, look at that. I cannot live without pepper. If you don't like pepper, go watch another channel, please, I beg. We add the chicken in there, and then we're gonna let it all cook together because after all, you know, we want the flavors to stick and, you know, be in the same WhatsApp group. Yes, I was serious about the pepper thing. I love pepper. Like, I love chili, guys. I love chili. Like, there's no way. That's how African I am, okay? I'm gonna let this cook, and in this time, I'm gonna steam my dodo, you know, dodo or plantain, or banana, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna steam it for about 10 minutes until the skin comes loose, like the one at the bottom. I'm gonna set this aside and let it cool down. But the thing is that it didn't really cool, and I was trying to act smart and extra, and I was like peeling my freaking banana, which was like really hot, and I was burning, like seriously, my poor fingers. I'm gonna peel this and set it aside until everything else is done. So you can keep it in the skin, but I prefer to peel it because I feel like it just looks neat. And then I'm gonna cut it up because we're not gonna eat all this today because dodo is so filling, and dodo is really sweet. Like, you know, when a man says you're sweet like dodo, yeah. It is really sweet. I'm gonna wash the rice and then cook it and then put it away as well. You know, yeah. And then I'm gonna serve that. I keep saying yeah a lot. I'm gonna serve because this is ready to eat, guys. Like, I was so hungry and I couldn't film myself because I was still in my pajamas. Oh, Look at that luscious chicken. Oh my goodness. Now, bon appetit. This was so delicious. Please try it out. Let me know in the comment section how it goes, and let me know what you added, what you removed, whatever. Just let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you give it a thumbs up, and I really hope that you subscribe to my channel, and I really hope that you share it with somebody that you like, because you know sharing is caring. And I really hope that I'm gonna see you here again, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy your meal. Bye guys.